Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back everybody. Welcome back. So today this is an updated video of what I did previously. I just want to talk about hair loss and the things that may be the culprit of your hair loss. Okay, there are a few things that I want to mention to you. And once again, I am not a doctor or anything like that. I'm just a dietitian nutritionist, and I work with food or nutrition, having you to like maybe say eat right. You get what I'm saying? So you know what a nutritionist is. You know they all about a healthy diet. Okay, so that's what I am. So I am not a doctor. So people were telling me about certain things when it comes to their hair, and I'll get into that once I get done with my introduction. Okay, so I want to thank everybody who are here today. Thank you ever so kindly for coming in. I hope and pray that there's something that I say, or maybe perhaps that you see in the future that would get you to come back for more. If you haven't subscribed, you see that subscribe button, click on it. See the bell, click on it as well. Make sure that your notifications are on. Okay, so how would I know if my notifications are turned on? Press that bell. Okay, once it turns white, then you'll know that your notifications are on, and you'll see me Monday or Tuesday or Thursday, Friday. Now I do go on vacation, and I'm still sticking with the school calendar because when our grandkids were in school, Michael, Ben, and Elizabeth, because they were here with us, Ben and Mike was still here. Elizabeth had her own little place. So when they were here with us, I just stayed with that calendar. Okay, so I like it. So I think I'll stick with this calendar. Okay, so yeah, so today I'm just want to talk about causes of hair loss. So there are only a few that you really need to pay attention to. Okay, first things first, eating right. Now, I'm all about people eating right, having a healthy diet, making sure that you're eating right and not consuming the wrong things. I mean, every once in a while, you know, we may go to the wayside and may eat some fried chicken or some fried pork chops or some greasy food. Some people say the grease is better, you know, make the food taste better. You know, I mean, given, sometimes it may, but you can't consume too much of it every other day or every day. That's too much. It's not good for the health, and it certainly isn't good for the hair. So if your diet is not right, that can affect your hair. Okay, it truly can. So go look that up. Secondly, manipulation. So you want to not do too much manipulation in the hair. You can you can wear some cornrows, some twisties or whatever. Keep them up for a week or two. Long as you have a style that you don't have to attend to on a daily basis or every other day. Now I see women on my job or either at church sometime, and they have different styles every other day or so. That's a lot of manipulation, and you wonder why their hair is still on their neck right here. Okay, that's the reason why. Okay, so make sure that you get your hairstyle, keep it up. My hair has been up my hair has been up all this month, all last month, So you want to keep your hair up, okay, and not touch it. Just leave it alone. It's fine. Leave it alone. Trust me, leave it alone. Okay, another thing is moisturizing. So we all know, we should know by now that if you moisturize your hair and seal it with the oil that holds moisture in, this will help your hair from not drying out. I'm going to put some oils across here that are really best when it comes to sealing in moisture. They keep those moistures in until you get ready to use it again. Okay, so just look down here on your screen, you'll see these oils. Okay, so they're not moisturizers, they're just an oil, and people call them that because they're really good at what they do. They do help to seal in moisture, and they do help to lock in moisture for long periods of time. Okay, some have these oils, they don't have to moisturize and seal for another 4 days. That's really good. That's really good. Okay, so you want to know your moisture cycle, meaning that you don't want your hair to dry out. So if you moisturize and seal, some people do it every day. If you do that every day, then do it every day. Every other day, then do it every other day. And I really talk about keeping moisture in, dryness and breakage, because these are the women that are reaching out to me that are still having problems. Believe it or not, you can see in the comments, or you can't read my emails, but you can see in the comments and things of that, on other videos, that I have there with Sapphire, so and so, so and so. My hair is still dry, It could be a number of things, okay? So you please make sure that you are keeping up with your moisture cycle, okay? So let's do a recap. So you want to eat right, because if you're not eating right, okay, that can cause an effect on your hair as well. Not only your hair, on your health. You don't want to be sick at the age of 50. That's young. You want to be able to travel. You want to be able to enjoy your life. You get what I'm saying? You want to be able to do things that are just being on, medication all the time. That's another thing. Medications, some medications, because some people were telling me that they take certain medications and it make their mouth dry, or it make their hair fall out. Some medications do. Some people go through this and they have to go back to their doctors and, get some blood work done so they can give them the right medication. So if you are going through that, okay, please see your doctor. Don't continue to take these if it's causing more problems. And I know you should know better by that, okay? So, and also moisturizing and sealing, it's really beneficial to moisturize and seal your scalp and your hair, okay? It really, really is, okay? And this would keep your hair from drying out. It really would. And you don't have to comb your hair every day or every other day. Get you a style that best fit you, okay? Your face, you look nice, and keep that up for a week or two, okay? And then take down very gently with the little water and conditioner throughout the fingers and take those down or whatever you want to do, and then wash your hair, deep condition, and then start over again. Okay, so less manipulation is really better. Just leave the hair alone. Sometimes the hair want to be left alone. It don't want to be combed and touched all the time. That's too much. Just like a baby. I used to say that a lot when our grandkids were little. They want to be touched all the time. They want to be picked up. One of those numbers. And they'll walk off or crawl off. They don't want to be bothered. So the same with our hair. It don't want to be bothered every single day or every other day. I know we want to look cute, but you have to leave the hair alone, okay? I hope and pray that these help you. If so, just give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down here. And Lord's will, you guys will see me in the next video. Have a wonderful week and weekend to come. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.